Welcome back to my channel.
So when I saw him, parang he couldn't breathe anymore. And I was kicking him already. And I was saying, Rico, what's happening to you? And he was, wala, parang, ba't naninigas ka na? And when he woke up, he was coughing and was choking. So, yun. I don't know. I wake up every single day thinking that that's not true.
Ano yung may mga lugar ba na ayaw mong balikan?
Bahay ko, ayoko. I don't wanna go kasi the pictures and some things there. You know, in the kitchen he has pans na, ginagamit niya when ko. So much memories there. You know, TV, yung DVD. Yung mga restaurants where we eat. I'm scared. I don't know.
Si Dominic kasi sinabi niya talagang it dawned on him daw na talagang grabe nung pumasok siya ng ABS. Doon talaga nag-iyak na siya ng iyak. Ikaw rin, you were together.
I'm scared. I haven't gone home since. And I don't want to. But I know that I will have to face that soon.
Has he ever given you like a special token, like, I'm not sure, no, a ring, anything to signify yung sa katagalan nyo na?
Letters, text messages lately, before he passed away, God, ang dami. Because of 4 years, you can't actually count what's the most special thing. But I guess the most special part of it all was the 4 years. It was hard. It was a roller coaster. He'd say that always. But we managed.
Nagpadala ng food, ganyan. Sa bahay namin, andun si Raymond. Biglang lahat nawala. Yung mga bata nawala. Cellphone ko, hindi ko mahanap. So, hinahanap ko yung cellphone ko, umakit ako. Kasalubong ko si Kuya Dennis. Iyak ng iyak. Kasi sabi ko, ano nangyayari? Tapos, sabi ko, where's mom and dad? Sabi ko, kausapin ka doon ni daddy. So, umakit ako, pumunta ako doon, umupo ako sa may bed. Pumunta na si Marjorie nandun, yung kuya ko si Mito nandun, yung kuya ko si Jay nandun, andun si Raymond, andun si Congressman. Pagpasok ko, feeling ko, intervention. Feeling ko, tatanungin ako ng dad ko about yung nilabas ni Tito Ricky kung talagang sinaktan ako ni Rico. Pero ang point ko, parang, what's this? If you're gonna ask me about it, huwag naman sa hirapan ng ibang tao. Ginanon ko na yung dad ko. Ginawakan niya ako, both my hands sobrang tightly, and then he looked straight in my face and sabi niya sa akin, Din, you know that Rico is in Puerto Princesa, right? Yes, sabi ko. Pero gumagano na yung heart ko. This morning, tas nag-crack yung voice. They found him dead. Hindi pa niya natapos yung found him dead. Alam ko na.
Nakutuban mo na.
And alam mo, yung parang lumiit yung kwarto, parang dumilim. And then I started shouting, open the blinds, open the lights. And then umalis yung dad ko, umalis yung mga kuya ko. Hindi nila natiis. Ang natira si Marjorie at si mom ko. So doon ko sinasabi yung strength ng babae talaga. Kasi hindi kinaya ng mga kuya ko na makita. Hindi ako umiiyak noon eh. Nag-panic attack ako. First panic attack ko yun na matindi na. Sabi ng mom ko, all the blinds are open. So I ran down dun sa may give me my phone, give me my phone. Tapos, nag-agawan na kami na ate ko, si Marjorie. Tapos nakita ko na first caller ko, si Tatay Dolphy, tapos si Ate V. And then, Tita Lulu, ganyan, Tita Mariol, Mr. M, lahat ng mga boss wala dito sa Pilipinas. Tumawag ako kay Marvin. Akala ko kasama si Marvin. Sabi ko, where are you? Sabi ko, where's Rico? Sabi ko, tell me, is he okay? Sabi niya, what's happening? Ano nangyayari, Clau? Bakit ka nagagalit? Ba't ka sumisigaw? Ganyan. Sabi ko, is it true? Is it true? Just tell me. Sabihin mo na sa akin, Marvin. Sabi niya, ano ko? Ang sasabihin ko sa'yo? Nasaan ka? Sabi ko. Nasaan si Rico? Sabi ko, gano'n. Ano sinasabi ng patay na? Ano? Patay na si Rico? Nagsisigaw naman si Marvin. So, binaba ko na nare-realize ko, hindi pala kasama si Marvin. Finally, tumawag na si Dominic sa akin. Sabi ko, where are you? At the hospital. So, may hope akong konti. Can I talk to the doctors, please? Clau, wala na. Hindi na pwede. Ilang beses na ni-revive. Try nyo lang ulit. Please, sabi ko, pakausap mo lang. Try mo lang ulit. Sunog na. Hindi na pwede. Wala na. doon na ako, biglang may nurse na sumaksak sa akin ng value. Ang hindi alam ng tao, ako rin, sinisisi ko rin yung sarili ko. Na sana maging compassionate or understanding yung tao kasi kung pinapunish niyo ako, pinapunish ko rin yung sarili ko. Kung galit kayo sa akin, mas galit ako sa sarili ko. Baliw na ako kung hindi ko siya nasip. So, sa mga tao na nagsasabing kasalanan ko, ganun din ang tingin ko sa sarili ko. Nagkataon kasi na March 29, Rico died on a Good Friday. And after 22 years, yung March 29 landed on a Good Friday also, remember? Doon ko na na-realize. I was in Japan noon. Parang takbo ko ng takbo. Pagka dumating yung araw na yun, parang bawumat na paulit-ulit. This day, talagang grabe, solid yung pagmamahala namin. 22 years and it never goes away.
Thanks for watching.